Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about the science of vaccines, or actually not so much the science of vaccines, but the modern controversy. At this time, there is some controversy about vaccines, and we need to discuss the science behind this controversy. So, vaccines are very useful and important. They have saved many human lives and saved many people from diseases. They are a great invention. Okay, and now let's consider something else. Water. Water is also great. It's so great that if water vanished, we would all die. I mean, if vaccines vanished, there might be more deaths than now. There might be more diseases. But if water vanished, everybody would die. So water is absolutely great. I mean, let's not have a doubt about that. You can do an experiment, try to go without water for 3 days and you will realize how important it is. Okay, so what if somebody adds, say, poison to water? Should people drink it? I don't think so. What if water supply is bad in some place? There is lead in the water, or there is contamination in the water. Should we talk about it? I think yes, absolutely. It's very important to talk about it. If our water supply is bad, we need to discuss it. What about vaccines? I mean, they're a lot less important than water. Should we be free to discuss it? If somebody adds a poison to a vaccine, will it hurt people? So, with water, if you discuss it, nobody calls you anti-water. But if you discuss vaccine safety, you're called anti-vaxxer, anti-science, which is really strange because the people saying these things, they don't understand science at all. Science is all about questioning. When people said the earth was round, nobody beat them up saying, no, obviously the earth is flat, why are you being anti-flat earth? So in science we question things, and vaccines must be questioned because they're important. Exactly because they're important, that's why they should be questioned. And I mean, there is a science behind it. And the interesting thing that people do not understand is that vaccine science is not a perfect science. It depends upon the body's own mechanisms, but those mechanisms are not well understood. They're not perfectly well understood. Therefore, we have to be careful about how we use the vaccines. So, for example, there is this herd immunity theory, which says that people who are unvaccinated are putting others in danger. But without the lack of the necessary science, you cannot make statements like that. That is a very unscientific, primitive theory, and the people who are making that up, I mean, they should understand that they are violating their oath of doing no harm. And it's not a good thing. They should publicly admit to their lack of knowledge. And if these people are watching, I would like to ask them a few questions. Do you know why cancer cells are not destroyed by the normal immune system mechanism? Do you know why immune system sometimes attacks the pancreatic beta cells? Do you know why the immune system attacks peanuts? You don't know that. Right now, we don't have those answers. If you don't know that, how can you make these things, make these statements as if they were true science? Because you're just making it up. You don't know if vaccines can spread disease. It's perfectly possible. You don't know if having everybody vaccinated hurts the others because they're not being given a natural environment. They're being given a very artificial environment. It's like, in nature, yeah, there are poisons. But if some frying equipment manufacturer says that everything must be fried and nobody should be allowed to eat raw food because it could have poisonous, then that person is just trying to sell their equipment. They're not doing science. They're doing something very selfish. So unfortunately, there is politics. Like I said, we have science and we have politics, and there is heavy money politics, and it's the money politics that's questioning the science. There is science possible. We have to benefit the ways, we have to weigh the benefits and risks, and we have to find the balance point. So yeah, vaccinating saves lives, protects people from dangers. It's possible that over-vaccinating is giving them diseases. Now the thing is, this cannot be researched right now because of the money pressures, and that's something that needs to be fought. We have to do science on vaccines, not politics. Saying that everybody must be vaccinated is not science, because in science you question everything, and you balance things. You find out all the interrelations. We need to understand the immune system. When we have understood the immune system the way we understand physics, then we might be able to make some pronouncements. But in the meanwhile, people who make such pronouncements, either they're brainwashed or they're paid. And if they're paid, that's not do no harm. That is harm. And they must get back to the medical profession. Do no harm first. If you don't know things, say that you don't know them. Do not pretend to know them, and do not put public health in danger. Thank you.